In this video, I'm going to show you how to see your followers list on Snapchat and what options you really have for figuring out who's following you. Snapchat doesn't make this completely straightforward, but I'll walk you through everything step by step so you know exactly what's possible. First, open up the Snapchat app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. From here, you'll see your profile page, and if you've created a public profile, you can tap on that. Right underneath your username, you'll see the total number of followers you have. That gives you the count, but unfortunately, Snapchat doesn't show you an actual list of everyone who follows you. What you can do, though, is tap on Insights, and this will give you more details about your audience. For example, you'll be able to see how many followers you've gained over a certain time period, their gender breakdown, and their age range. It's more about analytics than seeing specific names, but it's still helpful for understanding your audience better. Now, if you really want to get a sense of who might be following you, there are a couple of workarounds. One way is to go back to your main profile page and tap on My Friends. Everyone on this list is someone who has added you and you've added them back. While this isn't a complete list of followers, many of these people are likely among your followers. Another trick is to go to the Add Friends section and look at Quick Add. A lot of times, the people who follow your account but aren't on your friends list will show up here. It's not a perfect system, but it can give you an idea of who might be following you. So the bottom line is, Snapchat shows you your follower count and gives you audience insights, but it doesn't provide a full list of names. The only way to piece it together is by checking your friends list and quick add suggestions. Hopefully this clears things up and helps you better understand how to check your followers on Snapchat.